students, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in distributed system is the software agents. So what are the different software agents are there and what are the features of these software agents? Now let's see. Independent views of executions are concluded in the software agent. So what exactly the software agents consisting of? It is having the independent views of executions. Each software is having their own way of execution and all different types of software agents are concluded in this concept. Okay, the autonomous process capable of reacting to and initiating changes in its environment, possibly in collaboration with users and other agents. The features of the software agent is it is ability to act on its own. It is ability to act on its own. So how? It takes initiative where appropriate. That is agent based web crawler. This is an example for the ability to act its own. Here the agent based web crawler is going to act on its own. So it is going to take initiative whenever it required. And another features, it may be a collaborative agents. The different software agents are collaborative agents, mobile agents, interface agents and information agents. So these are all independent to each other. Based on their requirement, they can perform the release the services. So if it is a collaborative agent, it is an autonomous and cooperation. Collaborative, the word itself is saying it is a collaborative. So it is autonomy and cooperation is established here. In the mobile agents, ability to move between different machines. So with the help of this software agent, that is a mobile agent, ability to move between different machines. So the code can be migrated, the software can be migrated, the different means you can, it is a portable. By default, you can say it is a portable. Ability to move between different machines. And the next software agent is the information interface agents. So assist end users in the use of one or more applications. So this interface agents, what it is doing, it is going to assist the end users in what case? In the use of one or more applications. And information agent, it's manage the information from different sources. So these are all the different software agents which are active on the respective calls. Some important properties by which different types of agents can be distinguished is here you can see the different properties by which different types of agents can be distinguished. So if you take the property of autonomous, it common to all agents like collaborative agents, mobile agents, interface agents and the information agents. So this autonomous is common to all agents. Yes, it is common to all agents. And the description of autonomous is it can act on its own. Reactive. Yes, it is common to all agents. Reactive means it is giving response timely to change in its environment. Next, proactive. Yes, it is common to all agents, the proactive also. What it is doing? It initiates the actions that affects its environment. Next, commutative. Yes, it is common to all agents. It can exchange information with users and other agents. Next, continuous. Is there any continuous, the property continuous in the software agent? No, it's not common to all agents. It has a relatively long lifespan. Mobile. Common to all agents? No, it is not common to all agents. Only the mobile agent, software agent can access this property. It can migrate from one side to another side. Adaptive? No, it is not common to all agents. It is capable of learning. So these are all the different software agents and the important properties by which the different types of agents can be distinguished. Thank you.